We understand that navigating natural family planning from a Catholic perspective and understanding the new roads of fertility awareness can be complicated for engaged couples. That is why we developed the roadmap to natural family planning for couples. The first stop on our roadmap is learning the basics about NFP and fertility. What is NFP? What are the different methods? How do they work? Many engaged couples are just learning that NFP is the scientific and moral method of family planning for couples. It is a proven and effective method to achieve or postpone pregnancy and is all natural. A fun way to test your NFP IQ is to take our NFP IQ quiz for couples, which goes over the basic facts and misconceptions about NFP. The second stop on the roadmap is to choose the NFP method that is right for your lifestyle. The Fertility Science Institute's Method Matcher can help you find options that match your preferences, lifestyle, and goals with respect to fertility. FSI offers both symptothermal and Marquette through coaching, and all methods of NFP are listed on the FSI directory. Our next stop on the roadmap is to take an NFP class on a specific method to learn how to use it in your marriage. As we mentioned, Couple to Couple League offers classes for engaged and married couples in the symptothermal method of NFP. During a couple's married journey, the road will take unexpected turns and twists. It is always good to have options for specific fertility classes and coaching at different stages in life. Fertility awareness touches on all aspects of our life. That is why we need to make smart lifestyle choices to support a lifetime of fertility. Fertility Science Institute offers online lifestyle classes and resources like fertility, nutrition, and wellness, or online cooking class modules. If you visit the FSI and CCL websites, you can find classes and coaching sessions to help prepare for every stage of your family life: pregnancy preparation, postpartum, and premenopause. Visit fertilityscienceinstitute.org to see all the offerings we have. Along the way, we all need to seek professionals for advice and support. Fertility Science Institute has a free online directory of doctors, nurses, medical, and fertility coaches all over the world. You never know where life will take you on the journey of fertility awareness. The final stop on our roadmap is an invitation to join us and share fertility awareness. Check out our store to purchase your roadmap to NFP kit and find out about other classes and offerings for couples. We hope to see you along the way.